Imagine your brain as a busy city at night. In most people, the lights slowly turn off. But in insomnia, the city never sleeps. Millions of people lie awake every night, staring at the ceiling, frustrated and exhausted. Today, we will explain what insomnia is, why it happens, and how you can actually fix it. Insomnia is a sleep disorder where a person struggles to fall asleep, stay asleep, or wake up too early. There are two types. 1. Acute insomnia. Short-term. Stress, exams, travel, illness. 2. Chronic insomnia. Lasts months or years. Your brain is meant to slow down at night, but in insomnia, it stays alert like a guard on duty. And why does insomnia happen? This question keeps irritating us all the night. These are the main causes. Let's discuss them one by one. 1. Stress and anxiety. Worry keeps your brain active when it should be resting. 2. Blue light from phones and laptops. Screens trick your brain into thinking it's still daytime. 3. Caffeine and energy drinks. Coffee late in the day can block sleep hormones. 4. Irregular sleep schedule. Sleeping at different times confuses your internal clock. 5. Overthinking in bed. Your brain learns bed equals thinking, not sleeping. What happens when you don't sleep? Do you know the consequences? Lack of sleep affects memory, mood, concentration, immune system, heart health, mental health. Your brain cleans itself during deep sleep. Without it, mental fog builds up like dust in a room. You might be thinking, how to fix insomnia? Pause this video for a second and grab a pen and notebook to write the recommended steps. To fix insomnia, you need to practice each step for at least 2 weeks. You can even do all together, but remember, you should be consistent. Step 1. Fix your routine. Sleep and wake up at the same time daily. Step 2. No screens before bed. Switch to books, soft music, or meditation. Step 3. Control caffeine. Avoid coffee after 2 p.m. Step 4. Make your room sleep-friendly. Dark, cool, and quiet. Step 5. Train your brain. Use the bed only for sleep, not scrolling. Sleep is not your enemy. It is not something to fight, chase, or beg for at 2:17 a.m. while the ceiling fan becomes your only audience. Sleep is a quiet visitor. It arrives when your nervous system feels safe enough to loosen its grip. Your brain is not broken. It is protective. When stress, overthinking, late-night scrolling, or emotional weight keep your system on alert, your mind stays on guard like a night watchman who forgot his shift ended. Create an environment of calm, and that watchman slowly sets down the lantern. Dim lights an hour before bed. Keep your room cool and dark. Let your phone sleep before you do. Try slow breathing, gentle stretching, or journaling to empty the mental noise. When your brain feels safe, sleep will come naturally. To overcome insomnia, focus less on trying to sleep and more on building a rhythm your body can trust. Go to bed and wake up at the same time daily, even on weekends. Avoid caffeine late in the day and keep heavy meals away from bedtime. If you cannot sleep after about 20 minutes, get up and do something calm in low light until you feel sleepy again. This teaches your brain that the bed is for rest, not worry. During the day, Move your body and get sunlight to anchor your internal clock. Most importantly, practice patience. Sleep is like a shy creature. The harder you chase it, the faster it hides. Create peace, protect your routine, and let rest find you.
If you like this video, like and share with your loved ones. Your subscription and comments help us to know about the stuff you want to know. Subscribe or you might never see us again.